Who said you can't make an amazing gluten-free fried chicken burger? Well, you bloody can. We're going to start off with a buttermilk marinade. We're going to whack some spices in and then give that all a good mix up. Pop in your chicken thigh, trim it up, give it a bit of a bashing with a tenderizer, pop it in your marinade, leave it for at least 24 hours, but 48 is better. Going to make a nice coleslaw, a little bit different. Iceberg lettuce I'm using. I don't give a flying monkeys if somebody tells me it should be cabbage. Well, it's not. And then we're going to whack in a bit of carrot, a bit of spring onion, a bit of sour cream, a bit of mayo, a bit of horseradish cream, and some blue cheese. That's the secret weapon, a little bit of lemon juice. And then we're going to lightly pickle some tomatoes with lime, olive oil, salt, pepper, and lime zest. Now onto the best bit, the gluten-free flour mix, which is corn flour, tapioca flour, and rice flour, salt, pepper. That is all we need. And then on to actually making it. So I recommend to get your buns to get a nice toast on them, to spray oil first. Then with the chicken into the flour, really bloody massage that chicken. I think it's like a pair of breasts. Well, maybe I shouldn't say that, but hey presto, I just did. We're using some of God's sauces, hot sauce. The only bloody hot sauce you should be using with fried chicken. Pop that on. Mount it up like this, put your chicken just on some paper towel to remove any excess oil. Now stick the bloody thing in your gut.